In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on hand washing timer on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you wear your Apple Watch while watching your hand with the hand washing timer, the hand washing timer will start a countdown up to 20 seconds that you need to wash your hand. So this is for hygienic purpose. So basically here today you learn how you can easily turn on hand washing timer to help or aid your Apple Watch to help you count down whenever you're washing your hands. So if you're done with this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on hand washing timer on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the two crown once, like this. Then scroll down and click on settings. On settings page, just need to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to hand washing, then click on that. Then you should see hand washing timer. Apple Watch can dictate when you are washing your hands and set a 20 seconds timer. Turn this on. Then here, you can also turn on hand washing reminder, receive a notification if you haven't washed your hands within a few minutes of returning home. So if you went outside and you are back home now, but you forgot to wash your hands, your Apple Watch can easily bring in a reminder that asks you to go ahead and wash your hand for hygienic purpose. Then go ahead and turn this on. Then you should see hand washing would like to send a notification. Scroll down and tap allow. That is it. So here you'll be prompted to allow hand washing to use your location. So scroll down and here I'm going to turn on precise location and then allow once. That's it. So whenever you leave your abode or home and your Apple Watch discover you returned home, then you'll be prompted to go ahead and wash your hand if you fail to do so in a couple of minutes after returning home. So this is how you can easily turn on hand washing timer on Apple Watch. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.